What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about CEI. Once again, that's Camber Energy Incorporated. That's a ticker symbol CEI. Guys, if you like the information and analysis that I'm providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. So CEI, by the time of this recording, closed at a price of 0.9850. It's down 0.0650, which is approximately 6.19%, but it's up 4.57% in the after hours, the price of $1.03. Now, if you go to Market Beat, it will tell you that it's a 5-day performance of 24.72%, a 1-month performance of negative 7.94%, and a 3 months performance of 27.66%, a year-to-date performance of 15.88%. Now, if you can go to fintel.io, you can clearly see that the short interest of float is 9.85%. Off-exchange short volume ratio of 23,120,233 shares. And off-exchange short volume ratio of 49.85%. So guys, there's two articles that came up yesterday as far as CEI is concerned. I was not able to give this information yesterday as I was on vacation. But anyway, guys, there's two articles. Once again, it says here, Camber Energy stock is a good fit for hedging against oil instability. So I'll give a quick summary in this, and of course I want to focus on this one. It says here, why is Camber Energy stock up today? And it's talking about the yesterday's trading hours, okay, the yesterday's trading period. So let's go ahead and read this. So today marks the highest price point for natural gas in US since 2008, as the war in Ukraine drags on. The global energy crunch continues, leaving governments scrambling to find solutions. This has meant a renewed focus on oil and gas, sending prices up across US and Europe. Today, CEI stock is seeing impressive gains while some of its larger peers are struggling. E&E News reports is that E&E News reports that prices at Henry Hub, the benchmark for U.S. gas, have nearly doubled since the start of the year. As of last Friday, they sat at $7.30 million British thermal units. That's a BTU, indicating a gain rough of 10% today. Alongside this, Camber Energy shares have rallied. As of this writing, CEI stock is up more than 20%. That brings its gains over the past 5 trading days. So guys, as you can see, I made my technical analysis on CEI last weekends, and it really did pan out based on the bullish sentiment that I was able to read on the stocks. Okay, on the stock itself, sorry about that. So why it matters for CEI stock? For penny stocks receive as much attention as CEI trading at just over $1 per share. It has quick above micro cap status. Though often overlooked by investors, it has garnered favor as a meme stock throughout the past year. Its carbon dioxide capturing technology has garnered some criticism, but experts have praised Camber's foray into clean energy. There you go, guys. So even them, right, they can't avoid the fact that this is a clean energy play. So just because, guys, it's a CEI play, the oil prices are surging, does it mean that CEI stock will also surge? It also means that people know that CEI is a clean energy play. So it is something that each and every government looks forward to in the next 10 or 20 years, guys. So that's the main reason behind this play. It's not because it's an oil play. Just because the the stock price is going up, it is relative to oil, but the main reason is actually it is because it's a clean energy play, and people, the retail investor, the institutional investor, want to invest in such kinds of play. So it says here, even with its high amount of risk, nonetheless remains one of the more interesting clean energy plays out there, says Investor Place. So Investor Place, guys, they made this article, Camber Energy is a good fit for hedging against oil instability. Okay, but Investor Place, like I said, over and over again, they make these kinds of article that is bearish for the article. They would twist the words and would make you think that it is not actually a good play, but eventually, 10 days from now, 20 days from now, you'd say to yourself, I wish I invested in CEI or in clean energy plays such as CEI. Anyway, the trend of rising natural gas price has certainly made a more interesting industry landscape. CNBC reports that natural gas prices in the US are up to 102% for the year. While it makes sense that this would send names like CEI stock up shooting, its larger peers are falling, such as Cheniere Energy and Tellurian. CEI stock is receiving significant attention on social media today, that was yesterday, despite no company-specific catalysts. Okay, so what it means, if that is correct, there's no telling where CEI stock is headed. Guys, we all know where CEI stock is headed. Camber Energy is a perfect meme stock. But guys, if meme stock, right? When the smart money talks about meme stock, what comes into your mind is a joke stock. Guys, this is not a joke stock. This is a future, okay? This is a future stock. This is a future runner for investors seeking oil and gas plays. While it is volatile, CEI has gained 40% so far for a year and to date. So let's double check if that's even true, right? So according to Marketplace, yep, it's not even 40%. It's 15.88%, okay? So going back to the article, so it makes sense that CI took the CI stock would be in green. The only question is how long can it stay there? While there may be a Camber's breakout moment, investors should still proceed carefully. So there you go, guys. I won't read the other article. Like I said, this from Investor Place. It could twist your minds because of the kind of narration that they would put in the article itself. So in the future, okay, we'll try to pick which article is good for my review. Okay. So guys, here we go again for our technical analysis, and this is my favorite part of the video. Okay, so as you can see here in your daily time frame, we have this candle that doesn't want to know where it wants to go, whether it's going up or it's going down, and that candle ended today. Okay, so we break this candle down. As you can see here, it is sitting in your support from the previous day, and it's trying to push on green on for today. Okay, so let's try to break it down and let's see whether this is a bullish pattern, or this is a bullish candle or it's a bearish candle. Okay, so you're in this chart, you can see that your 9 EMA went across your 50 EMA, and your 200 EMA is way too far out. So let's go to your 4 hour time frame. I have extended this chart with the after hours. As you can see, in the after hours, it's green, and your VWAP today is actually right across your 9 EMA. So it is a bullish indicator, you guys, for tomorrow. Okay, now if you go to your 1 hour time frame, you can see here this is the extended hours. Although there's not a lot of volume, we zoom out here. This is an upward momentum, upward swing, and your VWAP has already crossed your 50 EMA, and it's ready to cross your 9 EMA, and it's right above your 200 EMA. That's also, guys, a bullish momentum. Okay, so we want to know support, we want to know resistance at this point. Okay, so in this certain scenario, okay, I will mark your support here at around. So it seems that this is your resistance for this stock. So let's try to mark that. Okay, 5-4. Here you go. That will be a resistance around $1.05. Okay, so in a certain in today's situation here, okay, so I'd like to mark your 97 cents as your support for tomorrow. Okay, so if we go beyond that, okay, we could see a slight pullback. But like I said earlier, okay, when I first took a look at this stock last week, it seems that this stock is in a bullish momentum. Okay, that is based on your smaller time frame, which is your, if you go to your 1 hour, if you go to your 15-minute time frame, it is very, very clear, guys, that it has a bullish momentum. Okay, so if you go to your volume today is 72.75 million. Your 3 months volume here is only 68.67 million, which means that we are getting attention. Like I said, this stock is pretty popular among retail investors and institutional investors, and some people are very, very bullish with CEI. Okay, as far as your stochastics is concerned, okay, so if you go to your daily time frame, we still have very slow RSI. Okay, so in your daily time frame, we have a 59 RSI, so which means that we have more room to the upside. Okay, so if you go to your stochastics, so it is getting there. The last time that it went there in that spot, okay, so this was the price, okay, around this price. Okay, so if we compare that now, it's somewhere there, somewhere in the same area, right? That's interesting, right? So I just charted this today on my own, guys. So it's around the same area. So hopefully we can see these prices again in the next couple of trading days, 4.85. So like I said, in this chart, it is there's no question that when it reached this stochastics, right, and it went even higher, it reached at the price of $4.85. Now, guys, if you like the information and analysis that I'm providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy, Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.